Greetings, children of the cult. Today, we are opening some Dune wax packs in search of some spice. The spice. They know about the spice. They know about the spice. Ah, the gum always ruins the top card. Always ruins the sticker card. We got Gurney Halleck. Got Duncan, Idaho. We got Fremen. Have the word of I don't even know. I can't even pronounce half of this stuff. I'm just early on the sleeve. I'm excited to see the new one. I've only seen bits of the old one. So, oh, we gotta get these quickly. We're almost out of time. I'm packing the hole. Entering the Ornithopter. Reverend Mother Gallus. No spice. I'm not seeing any spice. No spice in this one. Oh, thank you for watching.